Hi everybody. Today I'm going to show you how to navigate through Canvas. So when you go into the web, okay, you're going to have what we call a dashboard. And it's going to have all of your different classes in it. The class that I'm teaching for you that you're enrolled in is Biology 2021 Lemoyne. And each class that you're enrolled in for this year is going to have a different box. Now some will have pictures, some will just be different colors, and you guys can I think you're allowed to change that as you please. But anyway, if you click on Biology 2021 in the dashboard, it's going to take you to all of the different places that you are going to need to see this year. I'm actually going to click on a different class here. And of course, I will have to redo this when I do it live. Sean, this is terrible. I'm sorry. Okay, so now that you're into the class, I'm going to flip over and show you what a student view would look like. And over here on the left is your navigation bar, okay? There's always the home page, and this is what you're going to see when you bring this up. The announcements is how I am going to talk to you. So the lesson plans for each week are going to be put in here. If I have anything to let you guys know, if you're not in school, that's where you're also going to go. Parents, if you're looking for lesson plans or what your child should be doing at home, you go to this announcements tab in my Canvas classroom for biology. So let's just take a look at what that would look like. My hand over here is on announcements. I click on that and it will bring it up. So here's the most current one, lesson plans for September 1st through the 4th. That's that first week of school. If I click on that message, it's just like opening an email. You click on that and you're going to see everything that I've written in that message to you. So far, all I have is that Tuesday, Group A is going to be in the building. And then after that, you would see two, excuse me, what the lesson plan for Tuesday is. So whether you're at home or in class with me that day, this is what you should have done. What the lesson plan is for Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Okay, so that's kind of your checklist so that we're all on the same page. Mom and dad, the student, and me, the teacher. The next one is probably the one that you will use the most. So if you go back over here on the left, you've got modules. This is the course layout. Okay, this is the only area you need to go to. You are going to find your assignments, your quizzes, different lectures. Everything is posted in here and it goes in order. So for the school year, we start off with chapter 1, the nature of science. We're looking at bats dying in caves. All right. On this digital landing page, this is your access to your textbook, and you will find this in every unit that we do. So if I click on that digital landing page, here's your textbook, this ebook. Animations, if you want to do that, it's kind of like they read it to you. They're going to show you all the pictures throughout the unit, and they're going to talk to you about it. Okay, going back to modules. Okay, so you click on that. The next one you're going to see, I guess the animations is in here. Flashcards. You can practice those at home for the unit. It's kind of a review. When I click on that, if you notice the little icon to the left, the icon to the left is that link. That's telling you that there's an external link that you're going to go to. So if I click on those flashcards saying I want to do it, in here is an external link. When I click on this, here are my flashcards. So it's just telling you that it took you outside of Canvas. Now, if I go back into my Canvas, I'm going to go back to those modules now that you know how to find the flashcards. The next area are these rockets. Anytime you have a quiz, they're going to have this rocket icon. So you would need to take this 3-point quiz, this one, and this one. Now, you're going to find this in those announcements that I told you what to do when, okay? But if it's a lesson plan including chapter 1, Every single thing that you would be responsible for is here. Discussions will come later if I assign them to you. Thought I had one in here. This is where I will post something and then you need to add comments into it. So we're going to have a classroom discussion online. And then our chat box, I'm not quite sure why that is there. Calendar over on the left. So dashboard's where you find all your classes. Your account is just you and what you want to do for setup. The courses, you are in my course right now. Calendar, if you click on that, you're going to see, when things are due, if you have assignments or quizzes that have a specific date on them. And then your inbox is kind of like your email through, and I can't access this because I'm looking through a student view right now. But if we were to send messages back and forth. So if you need something from me, hey, Mrs. Lemoyne, I don't know how to do this. I can't get into a Teams meeting. My access code's not working. You can send me a message through here. A little bit easier than using my school email all the time.